What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know I put a story up showing that there is a one-of-one limited edition Adams Polishes product, well, more or less an item, that I had created and nobody in the world has it. And I'm about to show you guys exactly what it is right now. If you guys saw this in the background, there's a Jeep Grand Cherokee that I'm driving, and no, it's not mine. However, it is 4x4. It is a overland trim, and this thing launches like a bat out of hell. It is ridiculous, and it is very, very shiny. Just cleaned the terrain today at work, and it too is shiny. So about a week ago, I contacted a company in Tampa because I saw their Instagram page, what they were doing online, and it looked really, really awesome. I hit them up, said, can you guys make this with the Adams Polishes logo? I made sure with the product developer from Adams Polishes that it was okay. I'm not gonna resell it. If I ever do, I'll sell it to them, to corporate, and give it to them, whatever. Nobody has this in the world. I'm the only person that has it. Nobody at corporate has it. There's no prototypes, nothing. This is a one and done item. You guys ready to see this? Check it out. So you guys are probably wondering, what is this and why is it so special? Well, it's special to me. This company in Tampa, I'll put their Instagram name in the corner of this video. Go check them out. They have a website, all this great merchandise that they send me. They basically do wraps. They do really amazing things to vehicles. They also sell wheels, rotiforms, stuff like that. But if you guys do not know what this is, most of you guys know that I bagged my car on my Volkswagen. So the airlift manifold, this is a cover for it. If you guys see in the package, I'm not going to take it out yet, but it is brushed aluminum. Ooh, I just got bit by a mosquito. It's brushed aluminum with the logo machine, well, not machine, but 3D printed into the brushed aluminum. This is gonna go on top of my airlift manifold where it usually says airlift performance. This is going to replace it, and limited edition, one of one. No one will ever have this again. It is discontinued. So if you guys need any work done to your vehicle in the Tampa area, hit them up, Under Wraps Automotive. I'll put their Instagram name again on the screen. Go check them out, go give them some love, give them a follow, let them know how awesome this product looks, and I'll show you guys in the next video how it looks on the airlift manifold. Stay tuned, you guys. 1,000 subscriber mark is coming. 2 giveaways are going to be announced. Whichever winner is randomly selected is gonna have the opportunity to choose between the 2. So stay tuned, see you guys on the next one.
Caught in the crossfire.